Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Vivago AI to generate the stunning image. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do is you can access this Vivago AI, and here I prefer to open it via website or via PC to get more spacious view. And you can after that searching for this Vivago AI, and this will be the recommendation you can visit to. You can simply open this Vivago AI and don't forget to do the login first with your email. Initially, for the new user, they will give you 30 credits that will be ready to generate the video and also the image, guys. And also you can do it for the lip sync, chat generation, and the several AI tool like the image enhance, repaint, magic eraser, and many more, guys. Isn't that amazing? And since we would like to try the image generator, so here I will go to this image generator here. You can simply click it, and this is the section that you can try to put your prompt like this. And after that, you can also add the hint like this. So this will be the example of the prompt that they have prepared for you if you would like to try this with a go. And for this upload references, or it means you can add the picture that you would like to change to become the another style. And by that you need to add your prompt over here, guys. And after that you can also choose the standard or the model setting to become standard or professional, and how many picture that you would like to produce or generate. For example, you can choose this one until 2, and if you would like to generate 3 until 4 picture, then you need to upgrade it into the pro version. And after that you can choose the aspect ratio, and you can also put the negative prompt. For example, do not put the blah blah blah, something like that. Or for example, do not change the face of this couple. And for example, I will show you the picture that I have generated before. Well, I want that this picture of this couple to be have or to have the style of the Van Gogh painting, all painting style. So of course there will be the picture should be representing about the night skies of the Van Gogh painting. And after that you can go to the count, or it means how many picture that you would like to generate, and the aspect ratio. And here I put the negative prompt, do not change the face of this couple. And because it is to generate the image, so it will consume one credit, guys. And after waiting for a while, the picture will be show over here. So you will need maybe 1 minute and the picture will be generated like this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And you can start to download it with or without the watermark. And you can also delete if you would like to create another one, or make it into the favorite, or even share it into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this Vivago AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.